Welcome to the channel, helping you grow healthier plants one tip at a time. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple garden tips. Look what I found on my pawpaw tree. These huge caterpillars are eating the leaves. But are they dangerous? These are the caterpillars of the Ello Sphinx.moth, a large moth commonly found in tropical and subtropical areas. The adult moth lay eggs on plants like cassava and pawpaws. When the eggs hatch, the caterpillars begin feeding on the leaves. But are they harmful? A few caterpillars usually won't kill a healthy plant, but when there are many of them, they can strip the leaves very quickly, weakening the plant and slowing growth. You may notice large holes in the leaves disappearing overnight, or black droppings under the tree. These are signs that the caterpillars are feeding. But how do we get rid of them? Here are some simple ways to control them. You can handpick them, and that's the easiest way to remove them. 2. Spray with neem oil spray. 3. Encourage birds, as birds are natural predators and help keep caterpillars under control. 4. You can also check the plants regularly and look under the leaves for eggs before they hatch. To help prevent an infestation, we need to make sure that the plants are healthy and we have regular inspection. If you enjoyed learning about plants and natural gardening tips, make sure to subscribe and follow for more.